ouch, this happens sometimes. Nothing is broken in this case. I'll show you what to do. Let's start with make and model. In the casting, you'll see those letters cast in and those numbers on the underside. So nothing is broken. It will click back together. I'll show you how. This isn't normally they are supposed to stay together, of course, but the design is let's go with substandard. So key to this, to make sure that this steel plate here is intact. This is some spring steel. You can see it's springing away a little bit. And this square shoulder here that's critical, is providing the connection with the casting. And that square shoulder is going to line up with this square part of the casting. So for this to work, this steel spring plate needs to be solidly against this part of the casting there, and then line up this tab here with the recess there in the casting, both of them, both sides, like so. Press this down, but that's still not together. That's only halfway in. This steel plate needs to be closer to this edge. There, more pushing is needed. Now it's fully engaged and the connection looks like this. So this steel spring plate now is fully on the underside of this casting there. You can see how its shape works. Yeah, it's working barely. Good luck with it.